How fast can you find 13 cube? I'm giving you 8 seconds for that. Your time starts now. Your time is up. The correct answer is 2197. Now let me show you the faster way of finding the cubes of numbers. Now, as you know that 13 cube is nothing but 13 times 13 times 13, isn't it? And how do you find that? Watch me. This is my answer, 2197. So could you understand the faster way of cubing the numbers? Okay, so let me explain it. All you need to do to cube numbers from 1 to 19 is to take the units digit as b, alright, and the tens digit as 1. It is already 1, so no big deal, I just put it as 1 here. Alright, now put these numbers in this pattern, that is 1 b, b square and b cube. Now for these two terms in the middle, just put the double of that. So for b, put twice of that, 2b. For b square, again just double those numbers, so 2b square. Alright, then just add the numbers. Alright, that is what I have done here. So 1b is nothing but the number that you are given, so I have just copied 1 3 and then square of 3, that is 9, and then cube of 3, that is 27. Because there is only one place here, so I carry forward 2 to the left and write 7 here. Alright, now just find the double of this number, that is b. So 2b would be 6 and double of 9 would be 18. Again I carry forward 1 here and write 8 here. Now all you need to do is add the numbers, which is not a very difficult thing to do. This would be 7, 9 plus 2 is 11, and 11 plus 8 is 19. Carry forward 1, this will become 13 plus 1 is 14, and 14 plus 6 is 20, and 20 plus 1 is 21. So the answer is 2197, 2197. So let's check out more examples. Okay, so let's find out what is 12 cube. So again we'll do the same thing. Mark the digit at the units place as b, and this is 1, so it is 1 only. Now write the numbers in this pattern. 1 2, 2 square is 4, and 2 cube is 8. Alright, now just double up these two numbers. So double of 2 is 4 and double of 4 is right 8. Now add the numbers. 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, and carry forward 1, so 12 plus 1 is 13, and 13 plus 4 is 17. So your answer is 1728. Let's do it one more time. Now you find out what is 11 cube. Okay, so the units digit is b and this is 1, so write it like that. It would be, for 11 everything would be same, because 1 square is 1, 1 cube is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 and 1 and 1 square is 1 and 1 cube is 1. Okay, now double up these two digits. So double of 1 is 2, double of 1 is 2. Add them together, it will be 1331. So the answer is 1331. That's it. Okay, so tell me what is 14 cube. Alright, so mark this 4 as b and this is 1. So again put the numbers in this pattern. So it will be 1 4 and double of 4 is 8, and 4 square is 16. So 1 6 and double of 16 is 32. So 3 2 and 4 cube is 64. Now just add the digits, that's it. This will be 4, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. Carry forward 1 here, so it will be 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, and 2. So the answer is 2744. That is what 14 cube is. I hope that you know the cubes of all the 10 digits, isn't it? If you don't know, then I suggest that you please memorize them, because they are the very basic tools of every mathematician. You can always find them, like if I say what is 2 cubes, so 2 times is 4 and 4 times is 8. 3 cube is 3 times is 9 and 9 times is 27, but then that would be like wasting time. All right, so just put them to your memory. And moreover, if you know what are the cubes for all the 10 digits, then you can easily find the cube of any number from 1 to 100. And moreover, you can find cube roots of huge numbers very easily in few seconds, and that too mentally. All right, I'll be teaching you all those tricks, so just try to put these cubes in your memory. So let me just try to help you with that. So first digit is 0. So 0 cube is 0. So that is not a difficult thing to remember at all. 1 cube again, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 only. 2 cube is 2 times is 4, 4 times is 8. 3 cube is 27. 4 cube is 4 fours are 16 and 16 fours are 64. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 216. 7 cube is 343. 8 cube is 512 and 9 cube is 729. You can memorize all that in hardly 5 minutes. All right, okay, 10 minutes, take it from my side, but then please do memorize them. All right, now, okay, so find out what is 16 cube. Again the same thing, 1 6 and double of 6 is 12 and 6 square is 36. So you write 3 here and 6 here, and double of 36 is 72, and 6 cube is 216. This is 6 cube, so write 2 1 and 6 here. Now add all these numbers. So 6, this is 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, and this would be 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, and 2 comes here. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 4096. That is what 16 cube is.